Hello, students and families. Welcome to kindergarten. Today we want to share with you some things that you can expect this upcoming school year. Let's begin by going through an overview of our kindergarten curriculums. Our math curriculum is Bridges. Bridges Math uses a hands-on approach to deepen math thinking in the areas of number and operations, algebraic thinking, measurement and data, and geometry. There are various parts to the math curriculum, and the first one is Number Corner. Number Corner is a collection of quick daily skills featuring a calendar, number line, and growing collections to engage students in math. Another component of Bridges is the daily lessons, which are completed in a whole group setting and incorporate independent and partner work. Each lesson ends with math workplaces, which allow students to practice key skills through math games and activities. Some examples are in the picture. Amplify CKLA is our English Language Arts curriculum. Amplify consists of two parts. The first is the knowledge strand, which introduces students to rich, diverse content knowledge in history, science, and literature. Students listen to daily stories and build their knowledge and comprehension. The second part of Amplify is skills, where students are taught foundational skills, what they need to be able to read and write. First, your child will start off the school year by learning letter sounds, not the names of the letters. They will soon work to blend together sounds to read words and then read short sentences. It will be important that you help your child focus on letter sounds. For example, they will start by learning a sound, They will take what they know with different sounds and blend them together to read words, at, and then they will take words and read short phrases or sentences, cat on mat. Throughout the year, your child will also learn many tricky words. These are words that cannot be sounded out. Tricky words are another great thing to practice at home. Here is an example of a text that students will read by the end of the school year. Lastly, our socially emotional curriculum is Second Step. Second Step teaches skills for learning, empathy, emotional management, and problem solving, which will help students learn in the classroom and get along with others. So what can you do at home to help your child? At home, you can help your child each night by asking them about their day. Check their backpack and their purple take-home folder. Make sure you return the purple folder to school each day and read with your child. Please let your child's teacher know if you have any questions, and we are looking forward to a wonderful school year. Thank you.